Hold your iPhone back, bro. You dey owe me 5,000 before.
Yes.
I give you 20,000. Don't be 25,000 today. See my Android now. Not collect the iPhone.
Jesus.
Do you understand? Now I can't give you the button phone back. Now I can't collect my money back.
Oh shit.
Do you understand me now? Now you are still owing me. Check my phone be this one back.
Yes.
I don't collect my phone now. Maybe the swap and I see the phone waiting to you now. Don't swap the phone.
Jesus is
You
Lord.
don't understand that? Bro, if I say you know they do swap, if I say you know they do swap.
And only once I don't do swap. Cross, I thought you said only bought phone you. Now you carry the money, carry iPhone.
Think say you
Now,
know
bros,
why?
if I say you know they do phone swap, make I just give you this one now. So you don't balance now, abi? You don't balance now.
10,000 naira day.
No, you don't balance now. Now you hold this one now. I don't collect the iPhone now. This one is my phone now. This one is my money now. You know, you don't balance.
Bros, I beg, explain to me again.
I
I don't
don't
understand.
Go and ask your grandfather.
So swap.
Bros, now what for you? I know they do swap.
Now what don't you?
You know they do swap. Now what for you? I want to explain.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, do you have a power bank?
Yes.
Now what for
Please give
you?
me the 20,000.
Bros, I beg, hold on first. I beg. Help me judge this matter. You understand now? This man they do swap now. I don't give my money. See the money where you hold. I don't collect the iPhone. I want to begin the experiment before.
Okay, what's happening?
I don't swap this phone now. This one on my phone now. I don't collect iPhone from him. Give her money. Give her this phone. Never balance. See the cash now.
You collect iPhone.
I collect iPhone now. I can't do swap for him now. I collect iPhone. See what he hold for hand here now.
Jesus
See
is
money,
Lord.
what I do. I don't collect
You don't balance.
You don't balance now. Now you try to explain give him.
You
People say no
don't
sabi
balance.
do swap.
I know two understand. He
You
come
collect phone.
He give me Android. He
Go
come
and
give me
ask your
button. He give,
grandfather.
You don't balance. Plus you know sabi do swap for this area. Now what for you?